Salut les filles. So we're just going to have a look at a couple of corrections from the last day or two just to get through them. Okay, so the first set of corrections I'm going to ask you to have a look at is on page 105, page 105. Okay, and this little blue box activity, you have to put them from the future tense, so the year. You were given the present tense of aujourd'hui, today, and demain, tomorrow. So here's the number 2. So we had this example: I watched the boats. Je regarde les bateaux. I watched the boats is in the present, and I will watch. Je regarde les bateaux. So I'm just going to run through the verbs. Okay, so the first one I had was j'ai fini. I finished. I finished. Okay. Then the future was je finirai. So it's an IR verb and you add on AI. Same for number 3. J'ai joué. Okay, so normal ER verb. And then in the future becomes je jouerai. So you're just adding on AI to the end of it because it gets longer. Okay. Numéro 4, j'ai cherché. I looked or searched for. And then here, the future tense, je chercherai. I will look or I will search for. Numéro 5, j'ai fait. I did. Okay. And then the future here, now this isn't a regular one, this is je ferai, F-E-R-A-I. So that wasn't a regular one there. Same for numéro 6 is the verb prendre, the text. So j'ai pris, P-R-A-S. I took. Yeah. Je prends is the present tense, and then the future tense is another irregular. Je prendrai, P-R-E-N-D-R-A-I. Numéro 7, j'ai mis, I put on a t-shirt. The present tense is je mets. And then here we've got there then the will future is je mettrai, M-E-T-T-R-A-I. Numéro 8, j'ai ouvert, I opened. That's O-U-V-E-R-T. So that's an irregular passé composé. That's the present, j'ouvre. And then here is the future tense, so it's O-U-V-R-I-R-A-I. So you're just adding an A-I onto that one there. This is the verb voir, to see. So I saw, j'ai vu. Je vois, I see the kites. And last one, je verrai, I will see. Okay, that's an irregular, V-E-R-A-I. Numéro 10, j'ai écrit, I wrote. J'écris une carte postale, I wrote a postcard. And then I will write, j'écrirai, J', accent E, C-R-I-R-A-I. So I will write, okay? So if you look down here in the year, they're all going J, and then you have your past participle, like that's your PAP. We've seen that person, avoir participle. And then we've got here is your tomorrow, and these are just all your will features. So hopefully that went okay for everybody. The second thing I asked you to have a look at yesterday was, I'm just going to find it now, was this comprehension on page 152. So I asked you to run through this comprehension here. Okay, allons visiter Nice. So we're going to visit Nice. Okay, the first thing I just want you to make a note here is cinquième here is the 5th. So Nice, it is cinquième ville de France. It's the 5th largest town in France. Okay, it is situé dans le sud de la France, the south of France, sur la Côte d'Azur. On the okay, here we've got. So that was the first bit of vocab. Just make a note of cinquième. I want you to make a note here of grâce à. So grâce à means thanks to. Grâce à son climat très doux. Thanks to its mild climate. Doux here is mild, okay? The last thing I want you to make a note of here is soleil. Soleil is sunshine, okay? This was quite an easy comprehension. There wasn't too much on it. Here I want you to underline here, on y trouve. On y trouve means we find there, okay? Des hôtels très chic. We find there hotels that are very fashionable or rich, okay? Le promenade here is just a walkway, okay? I want you to make a note here. Piéton. Piéton is like pedestrian. So a pedestrian street, okay? La principale rue piéton, so the main pedestrian street is called Le Cours Saïla, okay? So when you make a note here, endroit. Endroit is another way of saying place. Le marché, so the market, et l'endroit idéal is the perfect place to buy des souvenirs. Souvenirs, par me for your friends. In this last paragraph, I just want you to make a note of two things. La baie is like le bédon, so the bay, yeah. And then here we got baline. The baline are wheels, okay? So just so here saying dans la mer près, so in the sea close to me, il est possible de voir. It's possible to see dolphins, et des balines wheels, okay? So that's some vocab to make note of. Just have a look at the questions, okay? Okay, so first question we got here is, where is Nice situated? So it's south of France, okay? So la Côte d'Azur on the, yeah. Where does the rank among French languages? Say the cinquième was the 5th. We saw that at the top of the page. What is the climate like in Nice? So it's a great climate. Okay, it's très doux. It's very mild. Uh, and what can people do in January and February? So they can eat out on the terraces. Okay, they can déjeuner. They can have lunch on the terrace au mois de janvier or during the month of January and February. That was just up here on terrasse. On peut déjeuner. Déjeuner is the verb to lunch. Okay, they can lunch during the month of Janvier, January, or February. That was okay. Numéro 3, where is the Promenade des Anglais? So yeah, the English walkway. So it's Le Long de la Mer. It's beside the sea. That was just up here. Le Long de la Mer. And Boulevard Le Long, so it's beside the sea, okay? What do we find? What kind of hotels are there? So that was up here too. On y trouve des hôtels très chic we find. So we find there like very fashionable, kind of rich, modern, expensive hotels. What is with the Cours-Silat? Okay, the Cours-Silat, it was in 3.2. Okay, Cours-Silat on trouve. So c'est ici on trouve. So it is. It's a pedestrian, the main pedestrian street. La principale rue piéton s'appelle le Cours-Silat. Okay. What can you buy there? You can buy aux fleurs et aux fruits. Okay. You can to find flowers and fruit. You can also acheter des souvenirs. You can also buy souvenirs pour ses amis, for your friends. Okay. What can you see near the Bay of Nice? You can say there's the Dauphine et des baleines, so that you can see your whales and your dolphins. And what do tourists like to do? So aim faire des excursions. So I was going excursion on these trips. Sur les bateaux, on the ships, à voile traditionnel, it was traditional sails, appelé des voiles latines. Okay, so that's what you can do. So you can go out and see dolphins and whales on boat trips. So hopefully that went okay. I want you to have a look now at this comprehension here on the next page. Vacances, you're on holidays in Ireland, okay? So l'été dernier, la famille Dupont a passé ses vacances en Irlande. They spent their holidays in. Here, that's an example of your passé composé. A passé, they spent. Inés, qui a 16 ans, so Inés is 16, part de ses vacances, she talks about her holidays. Okay, so just have a look through that comprehension. There's quite a few passé composés in it, like, mes parents ont loué. So my parents rented, ont loué, they rented. Bateau, so they rented a boat pour faire quasi sur le fleuve Shannon. So fleuve here, a fleuve is like a big river. Okay. The scene here just made a the scene is your swans. So just kind of have a read through that comprehension and try those couple of questions. Okay, I'll post a video up on that, and we might get one more. I think we're going to probably finish up classes either this Friday or the Tuesday, so I'm not sure. I'll let you know tomorrow what the plan is. So just try this comprehension and see how you get on with it, okay? It shouldn't be too tricky. Just as regards next year, I was chatting to the other French teachers, and please keep your textbooks. With anything we haven't got finished this year, anybody who's doing TY, we will be finishing off the couple of chapters at the end. Like there's a couple of chapters at the end of this book that we have to get finished, like chapters 9, 10, 11. So we will be doing that in TY if you're doing TY, just to get those couple. So please keep your textbooks. Don't throw them away or anything. Keep them. And if you're doing TY next year, we will be in TY. You will be finishing off this book. And same for the kids doing Spanish. We'll be finishing off a few chapters we missed with all the coronavirus stuff. So try PAS, page 113, and I'll unpad them and we'll talk tomorrow.